Ugh. So my wife emptied a bunch of dirt from mopping or something down the garbage disposal, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. All right, so my wife was mopping or something, and she just poured dirt, small rocks, whatever else she picked up down there. And guess what? Ugh. Sloshy mess. Oh my God, can you hear that? Let's take a little closer of a look. See if we can see anything here. Not really, it's kind of a tough angle, but you can hear it. You don't need to see it. So I'm going to get the old trusty shop vac out and put the hose extension on it, of course. Really the only way to run a shop vac. And I'll put a little extension and tape it using some whatever kind of tape, painter's tape, duct tape, whatever. The idea is to narrow this down because the hose itself on the shop vac is a little fit down into the garbage disposal, but I want to be able to pivot and get some better suction into the corners below as opposed to just this one huge circle. So basically building a little DIY adapter, and it looks like that. Can you see that? So I've got this thinner piece meeting into the bigger, thicker shop vac hose. Pretty simple, and we're going to put that down in there and turn it on and let it do its job, just kind of rotating it. The idea is to get, of course, all that mud, those small rocks, etc. Get it all up and out of there. We'll see if it works. Now I use my shop vac because it can handle wet and dry as opposed to just the regular household vacuum cleaner. You don't want to get water sucked up in there. You might have all kinds of problems. All right, let's kick this thing on for you. See what it sounds like. Get that water running. And we'll get it swirling around a little bit, and that is sounding good. I like it. Honey, don't put stuff down the garbage disposal anymore.